Hi folks, welcome back. Today is just a short little video about an accident that happened here in the shop yesterday with my mag drill. My mag drill tried to eat me. Well, tried to get a bite out of me at least. Luckily nothing serious happened. Didn't even break the bit. But it just goes to show you how something like drilling a hole can quickly get out of hand. Now, at the time it happened, my friend Don was here helping me, and he said, you better edit that out of the video. And I can understand why he said it. I mean, you put things on YouTube and people are quick to judge you. They weren't there. They don't know really what happened. It's all they could see. But it's pretty easy to hit that thumbs down button or make a snarky comment. And a lot of people don't show you everything that happens just to avoid that. Well, this channel is never going to be big, and frankly, I'll never make any money out of it. I don't need to. So I'm going to show you what happened just because it might help somebody else. I am safety conscious. I wear glasses when I remember them. And looking back at a video, you have time to analyze everything around. Like, why is that paint can over there? Making the videos has helped me become a little bit more safety conscious. Now, I was a 911 paramedic in Houston for 16 years. I've seen almost everything that can happen to a person, and I try not to let those things happen to me. And by showing you this, I'm hoping that they won't happen to you either. I guess that's all I can say about it. Hope you learned something from it. Please watch it through. Tell me what you think. If you can, subscribe, please. I'm on a push to get over 1,000 subscribers. Not to make money or anything, but I can't control the ads that YouTube's fixing to put on these channels. Anything over 8 minutes, they're going to start putting ads in the middle of. Well, if I get over 1,000 viewers, I can then control what you see. I can control if you can skip the ads or not. And I can control if they put anything in the middle of the videos. But I can't do it now. So if you help me get to 1,000, we're only about 300 away. I'll be able to do that soon. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned from my mistake. Did it again. A little thing. There it goes. Just that little slug or whatever you want to call it coming up and got stuck in that hole. Watch it. Shit. What happened there?
The magnet got caught, jammed it, and pulled the magnet off.
The what?
It got jammed, and it twisted the magnet. You know how something gets jammed in a drill press, and it just spun the magnet off. This is the one you need. This is a hole, and this is a hole, right?
Those are the little holes.
Yeah, okay, I just want to make sure.
It got jammed in the hole, it twisted the base, then it pulled the magnet.
Yeah, yeah, it's kind of like getting stuck in the drill press, you know. Better edit that out or you pick. Gonna come in.
What the hell happened?
The bit's still good. Make sure it's not bent. One of the scary sounds though. You don't know if the next thing's gonna be a piece of something hitting you in the head. Did you get some coolant underneath there or something maybe?
There's coolant in it.
No, I'm talking about underneath there, maybe.
It doesn't look like it.
That's some on there. Or that just drip on there. Pull it over. That's some shade.
Watch that, I'm gonna turn on.
Maybe maybe just pressed a little too hard or something? You jammed it? I don't know.
I don't know.
Try it again. That's all you can do. Don't press it hard.
The that got caught in there.
Again.
It came back up and got caught.
You know, with the vibrations, maybe it'll walk a little bit.
Pushing it in there. I'm not sure.
Maybe just you turn it upside down, get it out of there every time you drill a hole, you know. No pain in the ass, but
I know it hurt. I think I'll just make sure that I push it way down.
get that long enough to push it out. Here, longer push it.
It's like it
That's where it needs to be.
chugged it up there. You turned on.
Here, longer pusher.
Need something wider. Maybe
How about
take.
this aluminum piece there? Wide enough tonight? I think that should be wide enough. A little slug.
If you just take and tape this to here,
All right.
this is pretty nice.
You got some duct tape?
Should be some right there
Yeah,
inside
right.
you. All right. I think that thing vibrated back through there.
Yeah, it probably walked around there with the vibration.
We'll fix that. All right, let's see if we got it back together.
That's a learning experience, isn't it?
Yeah. that sucker come out. See if this helps it.
I don't see a plug.
Well, I took the first
Oh,
one
you took
out.
the first one out?
So there only should be one.
Okay. Clean the nest out first.
A new improved pusher. Cleans the nest out also. Well, let's see what happens to the next one.
I think you're okay. Doesn't seem like anything bent or anything. Pretty tough drill. Pretty
It
stout.
stopped. It was down in there enough to where I think that
jammed it.
slug jammed back up
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
it definitely did, I think. Good thing you wasn't drilling on a beam 10 stories up.
Yeah. Well, you put a chain around this thing.
You need something.
It comes with a safety chain.
Yeah.
Sure makes your hands greasy. All right. Did it again. It's up here with me. No wonder it didn't come out. See? It didn't pull out of its...
Yeah, okay.
There it went.
Yeah, it went.
Now we put the all-purpose Acme Engineering rod,
There it is.
and it came out.
So maybe
I think we're going to do that every time.
it stays there until you go all the way up with it.
Well, I thought I did.
Mm.
I heard it kind of crunch a little bit.
Drilling good though.
Yeah, it's all right. Just a learning curve.